Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is your complete pre-market analysis for Nifty, and we'll break down the exact support and resistance zones, what the structure is indicating, and how we can plan our trades for the day. These levels are based on price action, volatility expectation, and the major zones shown on the screen. R1 to R6 is resistance, S1 to S6 is support. Global or overall sentiment. Before we jump into the chart, let's quickly touch on sentiment. Pre-market cues are showing flat to mildly positive momentum, which means we may not see a big gap up or gap down. Instead, the market may open within yesterday's range and try to find direction after the initial volatility settles. This type of sentiment often leads to a trend after consolidation or a range-bound morning followed by a breakout. Current market structure. Let's look at the chart in front of us. Nifty is currently trading near 25,981, very close to our initial midpoint levels. The price action shows a sharp recovery from lows, but there is still heavy overhead supply that we need to consider. Resistance levels break down. Now let's go over the resistance levels for today. R1 26,056, R2 26 मिनट 131, R3 26 मिनट 221, R4 26 मिनट 296, R5 26 मिनट 354, R6 26 मिनट 412. These zones indicate where sellers may become active. Trading view. R1 and R2 are the most important intraday checkpoints. If Nifty sustains above R1, the market may attempt a positive structure. Crossing R2 with volume can push the index toward R3 and R4. R5 and R6 are extreme zones and will be tested only in a strong trending day. For directional traders, R1 and R2 are major zones to watch for rejection or breakout confirmation. Support levels break down. Now, let's look at the downside supports. S1 25,896, S2 25 मिनट 801, S3 25 मिनट 721, S4 25 मिनट 621, S5 25 मिनट 541, S6 25 मिनट 466. These levels will protect the downside. Trading view. If Nifty holds above S1, we stay inside a safe demand zone. Breaking S1 as the 2nd of May open the door for deeper correction. S3 and below indicate strong selling and may lead to a trend day on the downside. For intraday buyers, S1 and S2 are the strongest demand zones. Opening expectation or range. Since we are expecting a flat to mildly positive opening, the crucial point is whether price sustains above the yellow baseline zone, intraday bullish bias. Below the blue lower band, intraday bearish bias. The market may open inside a narrow range and then give a clean move after the first 15 to 20 minutes. Bullish plan for the day. If Nifty opens and stays above 25,950 to 25,980, we can expect 1. Test of R1 26 मिनट 056 If breakout holds, move toward R2 and R3. Trending day only if R2 is crossed with big candle and high volume. Bullish trades should be taken only above R1 or near S1 bounce. Bearish plan for the day. Bearish setup activates only when Nifty slips below S1 25 मिनट 896. If that happens, we may see 1. A quick move to S2 25 मिनट 812. If S2 breaks, selling pressure can increase. A deeper fall towards S3 and S4 is possible if momentum is strong. So sellers should watch S1 and S2 very closely. Conclusion or final trading advice. To summarize, market sentiment equals flat to mildly positive. Key resistance equals R1 26 मिनट 056. Key support equals S1 25 मिनट 896. Watch the first 15 minutes for direction. Avoid over-trading at the open. Today may start range-bound but can turn into a trending day after levels are broken. If you found this analysis useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with fellow traders.